Tommy tire plug here. Yeah. I even got one on my tractor. Look at that. I blow sidewalls out. Not only on my side-by-side, but on my tractor. Okay, first thing you do, gotta find the leak. I think, there it is. So I use some glass cleaner. Then you prep the tire. Okay. Ream the hole. Okay. Then I'll take one of these plugs. Feed it in there. Okay. Put it in. So about a half inch is sticking out, like so. Pop it out. Most important part. Light it on fire. Now, let that molten. This is where the magic happens. Okay, now you get yourself a knife. Okay. Oh, don't catch your carpet on fire. And when it's about real close to the tire, not yet. It's almost done. Here, I'll show you. Okay, so see it? It's like a blob. So you take it then, blow it out, and you spread the rubber all over the hole. Okay. Normally I use a knife, but I found a razor blade. Okay. Filming and doing this with one hand is almost impossible, but so basically what you're gonna have here is the rubber becoming part of the tire, okay? Because you're melting it. Now, get yourself some of this stuff. It's magic in a can. Now, while this is still hot, okay, apply it all over there. All over your tire. Doesn't matter how much you use, the more the merrier. This is gonna get hard, rock hard on there, and become one with the tire, pretty much. This is basically liquid rubber that just solidifies. Now, when you have that nice and hot, it works even better. So give that about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and this will be rock hard, and it'll be part of the rubber. That plug never comes out, tire never leaks forever. I got like 7 of them on my side-by-side. It works every time. Okay, we're back. It's been about 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes. I gotta get back to cut my grass. I'm losing sunlight, but here, look at this. Rock hard, stuff's awesome, not tacky, rock hard. It's amazing. Tires filled there, okay. Holding there. Now, the plug would have just been fine because the hole is small enough, but since it's a sidewall gash, I always put this blue stuff on. It's amazing. Look it up. Rema, R-E-M-A. All right, plugging out.